Participants were able to translate some of the insights and experiences that they'd had in the Tanga Peninsula into real design ideas.
There's more time to get hands-on, to start making, to start trying stuff, to use the facilities that D-Lab has to offer, and especially all the different backgrounds of all the participants to come together to form something really new.
It fast-tracks the ability to look at something from left field, to look at it laterally. It really helps to reinvigorate the way that you look at your own discipline.
I think it's a wonderful experience for design students from abroad to work with fantastic specialists in the field of textile production, but also specialists here at KIT, at the Kyoto Institute of Technology, from a more scientific background with material knowledge, scientific material knowledge, to open up a whole new range of ideas and concepts that you can work on.